what it is, my fellow subscribers, man. What it is, as y'all can see, this I T.Joe, 0 for the O. You feel me? And today we got a cool little special video for y'all. Let's see. Right now it's like 7:44 where I'm at, and we about to head into the gym, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me show y'all. I don't know if I can really dressed in that gym attire. Some slight. I don't even know the brand. If I did, I would promote them. But I got this years ago, playing like football and stuff. But even we got a cool little day in the life video today. Now, keep in mind, this particular video, or what happens in this particular video, I haven't really made any videos on it, but like I feel like this is what I want my channel based around. I don't know, y'all just gonna have to see later on, but like I feel like this is the type of content my channel gonna be based around. And I'm saying that because, like, don't be surprised if y'all see more videos like this from here on out. I'm just saying. But yeah, right now I'm about to go into the gym, get this nice little workout in, and yeah, just go ahead, subscribe to the channel. You feel me? Like the video. You already know you want to. You're going to at the end of the video regardless, so you might just go ahead and do it now. Get it out the way now. You know what I'm saying? Save your time. And yeah, and yada yada yada. But I really ain't been posting for a while. I can't really remember the last time I posted. I think it's been well over like a month or two. But I ain't been posting. I don't know, just been dealing with some life stuff, some personal issues, and then on top of that, my camera had broken. I'm just now, not too recently, but I'm just not really getting a new camera and this and that. So like, I wouldn't say it really stopped me. My camera breaking really stopped me for anything. Cause I'm not gonna lie, probably wouldn't have still been posting. Like, I didn't really have nothing to post. I just been working, trying to really get my life together off the grid. You know, off the social media, off YouTube. Just get my life together. Make sure like I know what I want to do and like where I'm headed. You feel me? Because sometimes you really just gotta duck off social media just to kind of recollect, you know, gather your mood, gather your little pieces, and then really pop out type shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna hit the gym and then I'm gonna get back up with y'all in a little bit. As y'all can see, man, we back from the gym, and now that we back home, I can finally show y'all. As y'all can see by the goggles, I feel like y'all already know what's about to go down. Like, y'all already know what's going on. But what I wanted to show y'all is this brand new pickup. Wee mama. What's it called? This is a 1989, right? I think it's like 1989, 1990, something like that. Suzuki LT230S, man. This bad boy is seriously good condition. Got the gold wheels with it, like it's just super clean. It came with a brand new carburetor. I don't know if you can see it from right there, but it came with a new carburetor. The old one isn't too bad, but definitely needs some work. As y'all can see, the engine level, the oil level is, you know what I'm saying, a little dark. I'm definitely gonna have to do an oil change on that. But you know, I'm gonna have to put new grips on it too, such and such. But other than that, yo, this is a pretty, you know what I'm saying, pretty solid bike. Front brakes work, back brakes work. What's it called? This is the first four-wheeler I had that it came with a clutch. Oh shit. First four-wheeler I had that it came with a clutch. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, it's something serious. But right now we about to get up on it, and let me show y'all how she's sounding. I gotta say, after getting this bike, I got this bike for like, what you would call it? Why I keep saying bike? Previous to this four-wheeler, I had a 1990 Kawasaki, you feel me, KDX 200, but and it was non-running. I didn't really want to mess with it too much because like I feel like what I bought it for, like
I wanted to invest a little bit of money in it, but like I wasn't really interested in riding that bike. Then I posted it for sales, or you know what I'm saying, trying to see if somebody want to buy it from me or somebody want to trade. Somebody hit me. I posted it for sale a while ago, maybe like 2-3 weeks ago. Somebody hit me earlier this week. They were like, they got this Suzuki 230. I'm like, I wasn't really hip to the Suzukis. I never rode one, you feel me? So I'm like, yeah, he said start running drive, da 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 da. He wanted to make the trade. He pulled up, fires right up. Let me show y'all. They got this aftermarket start on it right there. Supposedly worth a lot of money. So yeah, let me show y'all what she's sounding like. Let me show y'all what she's sounding like. I forgot the boards, man. But anyways, let me show y'all what she's sounding like. Now that I'm recording now, of course I don't want to start. As y'all can see, man, she's running like a topper. Running like a topper, man. Thing literally fires right up. I don't know why they decided not to fire up right then and there, but feel me? Literally fires right up. Click of a button. Super nice. Like I said, I'm about to put some new grips on there because it really, you know what I'm saying? Came with the wheelie bar, all that. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the condition of this 4-wheeler, I really wanted to keep it. I was thinking about keeping it, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. I don't know. It got a Kickstarter, all that, like I don't know, man. But right now, right now we about to do the oil change. I needed to change the idle on the carburetor because it does idle pretty high, which causes it to like smoke. It does cause it to smoke, but other than that, like everything pretty good. I might switch out the spark plug too, just because it is an older bike, you know. A newer spark plug won't hurt nobody. But yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking I'd get like 17 for this. I'm not gonna lie, if I sell it. And like for the price that I paid for the Kawasaki, I gotta remember. I think I paid like around 500, and I traded the guy for something else on the side too. So he was banging with it. Straight let it go. So yeah, when I posted the Kawasaki for sale, I was expecting to get at least like maybe like 1,000 flat, because it don't run, but it does have like good compression, all that. It just needs some work. So for whoever want to invest in that, but this trade I feel like is way better. It came with the new carburetor, new seat cover, graphics, all of that. So yeah, I'm thinking I can do that today and have it posted by tonight. And then after I post it, I don't know, I was gonna post it up for like maybe 1,900, and first come first serve. Whoever got cash, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Because if you sell on make Facebook Marketplace, you know, like everybody just be bluffing. They'd be like, oh, like you'll negotiate on the whole deal, and they'll just never hit. Like y'all who have a whole price set, and then they'll just be like, they'll just stop responding. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like you really just got it. Like, when it comes to like selling vehicles and stuff, you can't be on there too long. They just be playing. Anyways, we gonna go ahead, get this out, and go ahead and do the oil change and all that, and then yeah, I don't know. I really think I should keep it, But like I would love to have the cash so I can like flip something else. But I don't know. It is super clean though for 1989. So yeah.